Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video, we did learn about the average profit method and we completed that topic in that video itself. Now in this video, I am going to take a new topic which is about the calculation of goodwill but using your super profit method. Right? So without wasting any time, let's understand the super profit method. Right? So as you can understand from the name itself, super profit. It means any surplus, I repeat, हमारा नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट होता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, उस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट के ऊपर जो एनी अदर सरप्लस प्रॉफिट होता है, इट इज एक्चुअली रेफर्ड एज अ सुपर प्रॉफिट. तो अब आपको अपनी गुडविल निकालनी है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट. नाउ लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर मेथड. नाउ द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस मेथड इज you have to simply calculate your super profit and then you have to multiply it with number of years purchase, right? In this formula, as you can see, you have two main parts: your super profit and the number of years purchase. About the numbers of years purchase, we've been studying from the last two videos. तो अब आपको पता चल चुका है कि जो number of years होता है वो क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्टली गिवन होता है. Now talking about the super profit, जिसके ऊपर ये पूरा मेथड बेस्ड है, तो अब आपको निकालना है super profit. अब super profit कैसे निकालोगे? Super profit कैलकुलेट करने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले निकालना है अपना normal profit. Write the formula in your copy as it is I am writing here and try to understand the ingredients of this formula, right? So first of all, normal profit. The formula for normal profit is your capital invested into rate of return divided by 100. Right? So this is the basic formula of your normal profit. Capital invested, the amount that you have invested as a capital, your rate of return will be given in the question and simply you have to divide it with 100. Now comes your super profit. Super profit निकालने के लिए आपको ये जो आपका normal profit है इसको आप subtract कर दो अपने average profit में से. ठीक है? और average profit निकालना आपको आता है. अगर 3 सालों का average profit निकालने के लिए बोला गया है तो आप सिंपल उन 3 सालों के प्रॉफिट को ऐड कर दोगे और डिवाइड कर दोगे द नंबर ऑफ इयर्स दे हैव बीन आस्क्ड यू, राइट? सो दिस इज बेसिक फॉर्मूला ऑफ योर सुपर प्रॉफिट मेथड टू कैलकुलेट योर गुडविल. यू सिंपली हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई योर सुपर प्रॉफिट विद नंबर ऑफ इयर्स परचेज एंड टू कैलकुलेट योर सुपर प्रॉफिट योर फॉर्मूला इज एवरेज प्रॉफिट माइनस नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट एंड द फॉर्मूला टू कैलकुलेट द नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इज योर कैपिटल इन्वेस्टेड इनटू रेट ऑफ रिटर्न डिवाइडेड बाय 100, राइट? So this is about the formula for super profit method. Now let's solve one more question based upon the formula. Alright. So question you can see on your screen. Read with me. A firm earned net profit during the last 7 years as follows: 2009 rupees 20,000 profit, 2010 rupees 70 as loss, and so on till 2015 3,20,000 as profit. The capital invested in the firm is rupees 12 lakh. Normal rate of return in the similar type of business is 10%. Calculate the value of goodwill on the basis of 2.5 years of average profit, super profit during the above mentioned 7 years. Right? So first of all, you have to write what all given in the question. ठीक है? Capital invested is rupees 12 lakh. Right? Then normal rate of return is actually, or you can simply write rate. Avoid writing in short form. Rate is given 10%, right? उसके बाद उन्होंने आपको दे रखा है number of years purchase. Two and a half years, right? Now comes your average profit. Or I would say the profit which are given in your question. So what you are going to do, you are going to write years and you are going to write amount. So 2009, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years के उन्होंने आपको profit and loss दे रखे हैं. 20,000 for 2009, 70,000 as a loss. Right? 40,000 again as a loss. Right? 2,50,000 as a profit, 2,70,000 gain as a profit, 3 lakh and 3 lakh 20. 3 lakh and 3 lakh 20. Both are profits in this case. Right? Now what you have to do based upon these years of profit, उन्होंने आपको बोला है आपको सिंपली अपना एवरेज प्रॉफिट निकालना है, राइट? तो इन सब सालों के बेसिस पे आप अपना एवरेज प्रॉफिट निकालो और एवरेज प्रॉफिट आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन द लास्ट 2 वीडियोस. If you are not much clear about how to calculate your average profit, do watch those 2 previous videos. It will be much more clear to you, right? So calculate your average profit, add your profits and subtract your loss and then divide by 7. Why 7? Because 7 years of profit is given in the question, right? So how much you are going after you add all these? So you are getting 1,50,000. So your average profit is simply coming 1,50,000. Right? So you have your average profit handy with you to calculate your super profit. Right? Now it's time to calculate your normal profit. The formula for normal profit is capital invested into rate of return divided by 100. So 12 lakh into 10 divided by 100. It's going to give you 1,20,000. Now you also have a normal profit handy with you. What's next? The next is to calculate your super profit. The formula for super profit is average profit minus normal profit. And it is giving you 1,50,000 minus 1,20,000, 30,000. This is it. आपके पास अपना super profit आ गया. अब आप क्या करोगे? अपनी goodwill को calculate करोगे. The formula for super profit method to calculate your goodwill is number of years purchase into your super profit. So how many number of years purchase they have given you? 5 by 2. 2 into 2 plus 1, which is 5 by 2. Now multiplied with 30,000, which is giving you, when you solve this equation, it is actually giving you 75,000. So this is the amount of goodwill that they have asked you to calculate. I hope the concept of super profit method is now clear to you. In this method, what you have to do, you have to simply calculate your average profit first, then you have to calculate your normal profit, and lastly you have to calculate your super profit, then you have to drive your goodwill out of the super profit, right? So I hope